Hey, y'all, can you believe we're on day 4 for the 12 days of Christmas cookies? And ooh, I'm going to be making some good ones today. And look, as soon as I said cookies, who walks in but my cousin George, who has the sweet tooth like this big. I can't keep cookies when he's around. He's here visiting with his mama, my Aunt Peggy. And he loves it on the days that I shoot and make cookies. Don't you, George?
I'm just kind of waiting right now. I wish you would get to it.
I can't believe I said cookies and you just magically appeared. But before we get started, y'all, I got an early Christmas gift. And it's beautiful. If you have never been to Williamsburg and had the opportunity to watch a real, what would you call them? Eddie, what would you call them?
Like reenactors? Or?
No, I mean, they do that. Williamsburg reenacts, but they have that too. But why is the word escaping me?
Ironsmith, blacksmith.
A blacksmith. Thank you. I just couldn't think of that word. But these people are from Ohio, and it's Lockhart Ironworks LLC. Like I said, I think I said Ohio, right?
Yep.
And they sent me these most beautiful hand forged, I guess you would say.
Love the handles.
I know. And they do custom. I think they can do anything that you want. And they're pre-seasoned. Look at this one. They said you can use this for everything, and it's great for cobblers. That would be wonderful. And, you know, they're easy care, but I just wanted to thank Doug and Bertie for sending me this beautiful set of handmade cookware. Okay. Again, I want to thank Doug and Bertie and the whole family. But now it's time to get on to our 4th cookie for the 12 days of Christmas. My butter dish.
Over there on the counter.
Can't do without my butter dish, y'all. And you know I'm gonna get all that butter. I'm gonna get it all. So we got 2 sticks of butter in these cookies, and we are making gumdrop cookies. And we were lucky enough to find gumdrops that are spiced. Oh my gosh, I love the red ones. And of course, the green ones taste like mint. And the red gumdrops taste like cinnamon, and it's so good. So on my first step, let me move my water. The first step, I'm going to take our flour, and it's plain flour, salt, soda, baking soda, and baking powder. And that's going to make some fat cookies. So I'm going to take my whisk, and that's almost the same thing as, you know, sifting your flour. So that works real good. All right, so I'm going to take our 2 sticks of butter, our white sugar, and our brown sugar. And I'm going to beat this for about 3 or 4 minutes until it's nice and creamy. And now I'm going to add our eggs, and I'm going to add it 1 egg at a time. Yeah, I got lucky. They didn't both go in. Now I'm going to add my vanilla. my vanilla extract, and I'm going to add a teaspoon. A mighty teaspoon. That wasn't no scant teaspoon, y'all. Okay, our next step is we're going to kind of slowly, add the flour to the wet. And you want to mix it until it's just combined. All right, our next step is to add our oatmeal. And this is a good time to bring your partner in to help you stir. And last but not least, our chopped up gumdrops. This is kind of a workout for your arms and get strong. I'm going to have one muscle arm and one flab arm. My catfish belly. All right, I'm just going to give this a whip just so it won't stick, and I'm going to spray my utensil, and I'm going to just drop these by the table. That's probably a nice little tablespoon. I want them about 2 inches apart. This is gonna be pretty with the colors, isn't it, y'all? Yeah. I'm putting these in the oven. 350 for 9 to 11 minutes, y'all. So our cookies have cooled, and I want to just tell you a little bit about this cookie. You're going to find that it's not overly sweet, but it's delicious. And Eddie said it reminded him of a scone.
Yeah, a little bit.
And it is a little bit like a scone. Definitely, this would be wonderful at breakfast with a cup of coffee, wouldn't it, Eddie?
Yes.
So, if you're into cookies that are not very sweet, this is your cookie. And look at these beautiful plates. Gail Pittman made these for me. I wonder what Gail is up to now. It's been years since I have chatted with her, but she did some gorgeous work. And everyone are signed. So we'll enjoy putting our cookies on those Gail Pittman plates. I hope you're doing well, Gail. And let me be the first maybe to say Merry Christmas to you. Me and all my friends wish you a Merry Christmas. The cookies are delicious. Yum.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.